In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit the contact info and social media links in the header and footer of your website. In order for us to get to the header and footer of your website, you're going to go on the sidebar panel on the menu, hover over Appearance, and under Appearance, there's another submenu where you will click on Widgets. Under Widgets, you'll see the header widget and the footer widget. In order to modify any information in the header widget, you're going to click on that section. Under Widget Builder with Visual Composer, and then click on the button that says Start Editing. Once you click on that, you'll see the back end of the header, and you'll notice a few things. You'll notice the contact information. Here is the information for your email, your telephone number, and all the social media links. Let's start with the email. You're going to hover over the email to change the email information and click on the pencil button. Once you click on the pencil button, you'll see a window that will appear. You want to make sure that you have clicked off the EC mode, so it's unchecked. When you scroll down on the first tab, the General tab, you'll see a section called URL. You're going to hit on the button that says Select URL, and this is where you're going to change what is linked to be your email. And you're only going to change everything after the semicolon. You're going to input the new email, set link, but that is not the only thing you need to do. Now you need to go to title and make sure that you change the email displayed to be the same as what you set in the link. Once that's done, you save changes, and that will change the email displayed on your home page. In this case, it looks something like this right here. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number. Same thing applies. You're going to hover over the section, the info box that says telephone number, and you'll notice that it's a telephone number because right here it shows under title, you'll see a number. You're going to click on the pencil button. A similar window will appear, and you're going to go down again to the URL section, select URL, and you're going to change the information after the plus sign. The URL and linking the telephone like this makes sure that when people click on the phone number on mobile, that they will be able to dial the number automatically. So change the number right after the plus sign. Set link, save changes, and that would change the phone number displayed. Before I do, actually, I'm going to click on the pencil button again. And once I've changed the URL, I'm going to go to title and change the number displayed under the title field. Make sure that that is also changed. Save changes, and that should change the phone number. Next, we're going to look at the social media icons. In this website, the icons displayed are Facebook, LinkedIn, SoundCloud, Twitter, and YouTube. You may not have all these social media icons, and that's okay. Let's say that I have those social media icons, but one of my social media pages has changed. I created a new Facebook page, and I want to replace that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the Facebook link, the icon, click on the pencil button. The window will appear, and I'm going to go and scroll down to the URL link. Select the URL and replace that hashtag that is currently there. In this case, in your case, you're probably going to have the link to your Facebook page. You're going to replace that link and make sure that you set it to open in a new tab. That way, when people visit your Facebook page, they don't close your website. It just opens in a new tab. Once they close the Facebook tab, they have not left your website. And set the link, and that will change. And then you save the changes, and that will change the link on Facebook. Let's say that you added a new social media platform and that you want to add this to be linked on your website. All you'll need to do is hover over one of the icons and click on the clone button. Once you click on the clone button, you will have created, in this case, I cloned the YouTube icon. You're going to hover over that last one that I cloned, click on the edit button, and then I'm going to want to replace the icon itself. In order to do that, I'm going to go to the icon section here, and I'm going to click on that downwards arrow. And here I'll be able to search for the icon that I want to replace it with. In this case, let's say that I created an Instagram page or an Instagram profile, and I want to add that Instagram icon to my website. So I'm going to search for Instagram. There it is. I'm going to click on that. It replaces the icon, but I'm not done yet because I haven't linked the Instagram page. So I'm going to scroll down to the URL link, select the URL, and then insert the URL for that website right here. Once again, make sure that you click on Open Link in the new tab so that the social media page is opened on a new tab and it doesn't close your website when they close that tab. Set link, save changes. And let's say that I want to see those changes. In this case, as opposed to when you're editing a website, a page in your website, when you save, you'll automatically update the header. There's no preview button in this section. So once I hit save, I will need to go to my website and refresh in order to see that new icon displayed. Let's say that I want to reorder the way that those icons are displayed. Because of the advantage of the drag and drop interface of our websites, you will be able to just drag by clicking or hovering over the icon, clicking on that symbol right here, and drag where you want that icon to be. So let's say that I wanted to have it in the second place. I just drag to that second place in my icons, save changes, and I should see that Instagram icon right there in the second place. So that's how I change the contact information and the social media links on the header. Now let's say that I want to make sure that my contact information and social media links are the same, which you probably want to do on your footer of your website. As you know, most sites, not all, will have the contact information in the header and also in the footer. And of course, you want to make sure that both match, right? So you're going to go back to the back end of the site, close this window, and find the footer widget. Again, that is under Appearance and under Widgets. The footer widget, widget builder with Visual Composer, start editing, and there's my footer. The same steps apply. As I mentioned before, anything that I want to edit, I will hover over, click on the pencil button, and either replace the icon if that's what I need to do, or replace the URL under URL link. Always remember to save changes. Same goes for the contact info, meaning the email and phone number. Hover over the section you want to edit, click on the edit button, the pencil button, make sure that I'm off the easy mode, change the URL, in this case for the email, make sure that I change the title information as well, which would be what is displayed on the website, and save changes. Always make sure to click save, and when clicking save, in this case, the update will happen on the live site automatically.